This is an Aukey aroma diffuser thing. Okay, so Aukey have sent over an ultrasonic aroma diffuser. I have no idea what this is or what it's supposed to do. I've seen a lot of them on Amazon. I have been a bit confused because this shows like steam coming out of it, like there's mice burning coal or something inside, and I mentioned it to my wife, saying that Aukey have offered to send one of these over for us to have a look at. She got quite excited by that idea and said, oh absolutely, that would be great. Apparently it makes smells. Great. Right, so I'll try and open it. So on the side it says remove outer case and open water tank cover. Fill the water tank with water. Make sure the water level does not exceed the max water level mark. Okay. Add 6 to 10 drops of essential oil. Hopefully they've included the oil with it. Although I suppose I have some 10 Winter 40 oil in the garage for the lawnmower. And maybe there's some extra virgin oil as well in the kitchen. I don't know. The amount of oil can vary depending on the setting of the device. Put the water tank cover and outer case back and connect the power adapter. So the oil is heated, or the water is heated, which with the oil forms steam and it comes out. Right. Yeah. Ultrasonic diffusing ensures the integrity of the essential oil molecular structure and allows the healthy bodily absorption. Right, I'm totally at a loss of what this actually does for you, but there's the input voltage, rated voltage, power consumption and all that kind of stuff. Water sink capacity. Brilliant. Okay, we'll open it up and have a look. We have the Aukey warranty card on the top there. We have a user manual, which I'm sure I'll have to consult at some stage. We have a power adapter here, which is fairly standard, and AC adapter output 0.66 amps. Okay. Also on the top we have a little jug. And then this must be the diffuser, I'm guessing. Right. So it's got a plastic thing on the top and a plastic thing underneath it. It's ribbed for user pleasure. We have a brightness setting, maybe for the bedroom if you happen to need this during sleep. I don't know what this does. Standby, and it's got another symbol there which is something I'm sure that the user manual will inform me of what it is. 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours and on. Okay, so you can set it for an hour. That I can understand that bit. That makes sense. It's a timer. On underside has 3 feet. There's I'm guessing that's an exhaust or possibly air intake for a fan of some description. Could be a speaker, but I doubt it. There's a connector there for the DC. Around this side there's nothing. And that's it. And there's no oil. Right. I thought there might be oil in it. Or a little sachet or something. Yeah, so that'll sit in the corner and do stuff. Oh, there's a measuring jug. Okay, you can see that the numbers on there. It's 150 milliliters it goes up to. 20 milliliters, so that'll be useful for making your super noodles. And other than that, I'm going to give this to the wife and see what she makes of it, because I haven't got a freaking clue. I had expected there would be some oil in it, so we'd be able to test it here in the video, but obviously I need to go out and find some oil. I was joking about the 10 Winter 40. Okay, so 1 hour mist emits continuously and will power off in 1 hour. Thanks. That's mist modes. There's high mist and low mist. And then LED lights. Oh, that's something we could check. It does glow. Hey. Now, imagine that with a little bit of steam coming out here. And I would probably go, ooh, isn't that nice? That smells very aromatic. Golly. Obviously, you would get absolutely no benefit watching this on YouTube. But believe me, if there was steam coming out of here, I'm sure it would smell lovely. One day I'm sure YouTube will have smells included in their feature set. But otherwise, it glows and cycles through the rainbow of glowingness. Now if we press this button, we can turn it off, and then we can cycle through the rainbow. I guess once we get to a colour, we can press it again and it'll stay at that colour. That's quite a nice feature. And then we can turn it off. Brilliant. So if you've got any questions, feel free to place them in the comments box down below. Don't get annoyed if I don't reply. Hit that subscribe button for more useless videos like this, and some slightly more useful videos. Give us a wee thumbs up. I don't know why you would. And other than that, take care.